What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making my Uncle Bob's delicious chocolate cake recipe. He has been using this recipe for years, and he made it for us last time he was out from Texas, and it was divine. He gave me the recipe, and now I'm giving it to you. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your two 8-inch round cake pans by buttering and lining the bottoms of the pans. This is so your cake does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Flour your pans and make sure to tap off any excess flour. Pro tip: an easy way to get your parchment to fit your pan is to fold it into a triangle. Then place the point in the center of the upside down pan and cut off the edges. Ingredient lists can be found in the description box below. To a mixing bowl, add flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt mixed together. In a bowl or large measuring cup, add buttermilk, oil, vanilla, and 2 eggs mixed together. Gradually mix together wet and dry ingredients. Mix in 1 cup of hot coffee. The coffee and the chocolate will give this cake a deep, rich flavor. Pour half of the batter each into the cake pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. You want to check with a toothpick to make sure they're done. It is done if the toothpick comes out clear. Transfer cakes to a wire rack to cool and remove the parchment paper. You guys, I wish you could smell my house right now. It smells so good. For the frosting, microwave your chocolate chips and stir in between 30-second intervals till smooth and creamy. Set aside to cool as we do not want it to melt our buttercream frosting. On medium speed, mix your 2 room temperature butter sticks till pale and fluffy. Add an egg yolk, vanilla, and mix, scraping down the sides. On low, mix in powdered sugar. To a cup, add 2 teaspoons hot water and 1 tablespoon instant coffee. Mix and let cool. Add the cooled coffee and mix. Add the cooled chocolate a little at a time and mix. A perfectly glossy buttercream. Time to frost the cake. This cake is also deliciously moist. Thanks for the recipe, Uncle Bob.